how to keep a post on Threads but only my followers can see it. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to Login Helps. And on today's tutorial, we will see how we can keep a post on Threads so that your followers can only see your post. So without any further delay, let's get started with this video. First off, launch the Threads application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now, here, tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, tap on the settings or the two horizontal line icon from the top right corner. That's gonna take you to your settings page. Here, tap on privacy. Now, if you want to keep a post so that only your followers can see it, you have to switch your public profile to private profile. To do that, tap on the toggle next to private profile. That will switch your profile to private profile. Tap on OK. And with that, now you have a private Thread profile. By doing so, only your followers will be able to see your post. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.